Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. In this video, I will gonna show you how you can save Instagram photos to your gallery, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. And so without wasting further of your time, let's start the tutorial.
So to save Instagram photos to your gallery, the first thing you gotta do is open your Instagram app.
Once you've opened your Instagram, now go to the photo that you want to save. Let's say this is the photo that you want to save, for example. So to save it, first tap the photo. Then after that, go and tap the share button. After tapping the share button, next tap copy link. Once you've copied the link of the photo, now close your Instagram app. Then go to Google Chrome or any browser on your device. Once you've opened your Google Chrome, next tap the search bar. And then search for this. After searching, you will automatically be redirected to this website. This website is where we can download the photo. To download the photo, just paste the link that you've copied earlier right here. And after that, press download. And for the last step, tap download photo. And there you go guys, the photo has been successfully downloaded. Now let's check it on my gallery. And there it is, as you can see, the photo is now saved on my gallery.
Now that you've saved your photo to your gallery, you can now view the photo offline, use it as a wallpaper, or maybe use it for editing purposes.
And so that's just how you do it guys, it's easy right? Now that you've watched this video you can now save Instagram photos to your gallery all you want. And that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.